Guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Ankara lined pouch. So we'll be using this Ankara fabric, this lining, interfacing, tape rule, a zip and scissors. So this Ankara fabric is 8 inches by width and the length is 7 inches. Same thing for the lining, 8 inches width, 7 inches length. The same thing for the interfacing, 8 inches width, 7 inches length. So what I will do is to take the interfacing, there's a part that has adhesive. I will glue it with my hot iron to my fabric, the wrong side of my fabric, with the part that had adhesive on your interfacing. Use your hot iron to glue it together. So I'll go and iron. So guys, I have ironed it and this is it. So from this 8 inches width, this 8 inches, attach your zip this way. Let this zip be facing your Ankara fabric this way. Then you place one of your lining this way. We are going to stitch straight down. Let me pin it so you see what I'm saying. By the time you stitch this line, this zip will be this way. So I'll go to my sewing machine and stitch. So like this is it. I have stitched this straight, and this is what you turn your line like this way to cover your rough work. So this is what you should have. So this other side, bring your Ankara fabric this way. Ankara's facing Ankara, place it this way. Then your lining facing lining, place it this way. I'll go to my sewing machine and stitch straight down. So guys, I have stitched this side. So this is what it looks like now. So you bring this way. You can use your hot iron to press it down before you go to your sewing machine. So bring it this way. Ankara fabric with Ankara fabric this way. Lining with lining this way. So we are going to stitch from this side straight down. When you get here, leave about 2 inches. So leave these 2 inches, then start stitching from here straight down. So we are going to basically stitch all this and close this. I'll go to my sewing machine and stitch. Guys, lest I forget, before you stitch all your edges, please remember to open your zip, because that's where we'll turn inside out from. Open your zip like halfway like this before you stitch. So guys, this is it, and I left this place open. So before we turn inside out, you have to cut these edges. So we can now turn inside out. So at this point, this place we left open, you can go back to your sewing machine and stitch it, or use your needle and thread to tack it. I will go to my sewing machine and stitch. So guys, I am done stitching. Now I will use my hot iron to press it so that it will look very neat. I have ironed it. You can see how neat it is now. So you can put your lining inside the pouch. Now we use this to design there's one of my tutorial, I think Ankara round ball bag. I make this design there. If you have not seen the video, you can see it, so you can see how I made this. So with the help of my glue, I will glue this together. After gluing, we are basically done with our purse. This is what the inside of the purse looks like. So guys, our Ankara zipper lined pouch is ready.